teacher and her pen. Welcome to day 22. Let's get on with it. On to today's first question. So, at Spuds or Us, a 2.5 kilogram bag of potatoes costs £1.25. How much would 1 tonne of potatoes cost? She's got one bag costing £1.25. I'm asking you, how much would 1 tonne of potatoes cost? Okay, press pause and have a go. Okay, so did you get the answer of £500? Well done if you did. So a few different ways to do it. If I've got a calculator, I always work out what 1 kilogram costs and then times up the amount. The first thing we've got to work out is how many kilograms go into 1 tonne. Okay, so we've got 1,000 kilograms is equal to 1 tonne. So one way I would have done it without a calculator is said 2.5 kilograms is equal to £1.25. Okay, well let's do 4 of those because I know 2.5 times 4 is 10 kilograms. And let's do 4 of those. 2 of those is £2.50, so 4 of them must be £5. So what do I need to do? I need to times that by 100. If I times that by 100, I get 1,000. And if I times that by 100, I get 500. So I need to put the pound sign there. So 1,000 kilograms, which is 1 tonne. So 1 tonne is equal to £500. Well done if you got that right.
And this one's for big boys and girls.
Okay, so for this problem, a solid wooden cube is painted blue on all of the outside faces. The cube is then cut into 8 smaller cubes of equal size. But what fraction of the total surface area of these new cubes are blue? A solid wooden cube is painted blue on the outside. The cube is then cut into 8 smaller cubes of equal size. But what fraction of the total surface area of these new cubes is blue? Okay, so pause the video and have a go. Okay, so there's a few ways of doing it, but first of all I'm going to cut our cube up into the other little cube so we can see. So that's how we get 8 cubes. Now, how many of these are painted blue? 1, 2, 3. So there'll also be another 1, 2, 3. So each cube, wherever it is, will always have 3 out of the 6 faces painted. So if every little cube has got 3 out of 6 painted, that must mean there are half of all of them painted. So the answer is, what fraction of them? It is a half. Well done if you got that right. There was another way. You could have just said all of these, there are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. 24 of them would have been painted blue. And actually, if you had one little cube, of course that would have been 6 faces, and 6 eighths are 48, so it would have been out of 48. So 24 out of 48 is still a half. Like I said, well done if you got it right.